Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the UPSC Civil Service main book list and some resources. At the end of the video you will get extra some website and resources name. Most people are confusing about the preliminary and main book list are different. There is no difference in the preliminary and main book list. Preliminary is actually checking the aspirant accuracy about the knowledge, and main is considering a writing skill, and it's about how could you your opinion in different angle. Actually it's basically you need to study NCERT because NCERT will give you the best foundation of each topic. And we start from the history section. These are the some resources. Starting from NCERT class 12, themes in Indian history part 2 first, and themes in Indian history part 2nd, and themes in Indian history part 3. These three books will give you the foundation of history. You can read class 9 to 12 basically if you want. Then we will go for the ancient and medieval India by Poonam Deldal Dahiya. You can check the website on this content, how it much covered. This is simply not. And next you go for the Indian art and culture by Nidhin Singhania. You can check website for this content because it actually cover the whole topic of the UPSC Civil Service syllabus. Actually you get to cover architecture, visual paintings, many different angles it will cover, and it will give you best guidance. Next we go for the modern India, a brief history of modern India by Spectrum. This is a book, best book I found it, because you can go for any other books, your option, just choose that. Then we go for the geography section. Geography, if you consider in geography, you must read class 11 and 12 because these class 11 and 12 will give you the best foundation. Actually it cover all the topic, but we need more extra relevant content. Then that we will go for the basic book like Certificate Physical and Human Geography by GC Leon, because this book is actually covering all topic from geography section, not in the UPSC syllabus, it's covering the geography section. Next, most people are aware about this book, Indian Polity by M. Lakshmikant. Actually, if you try to read NCERT class 9 to 12, it is filtered by this book. Actually, this is a basic book. Actually, it's filtered, and this content you can check on website. It will divide in many parts. Very good book. You can easily understandable book was this. And next we will go for the economy. If you study the economy section, you must read NCERT class 9 to 12 because 9 and 10 class will give you the best foundation. Also, you can read the 11th and 12th class. Actually, it gives you the best guidance for what India actually relevant. And it's a basic book for economy. If you don't read, or if you read the NCERT, this is the book Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. If you have any other option, another book, just choose that. I prefer this book because this book is actually very nice to read, and there are a lot of examples are considered this book very nice to read, and memorable book was this. I choose this. If you like, you can choose this. Next we go for the challenges to internal security of India by Ashok Kumar IPS, Vibhul Naik. I think this book was very nice because it covered actually the second arc and disaster, social welfare, and many schemes. Also some contents. If you ready to buy these books, you can check our video description box. We will provide website link for to buy. Actually, you can check this book is very nice to read. You can read this book within 3 days. And the most important book is Environment by Shankar IS. If you try to buy this book, please buy latest edition because they will add more extra content for the latest time. This book actually cover ecology, environment, disaster management, social disaster, everything in the environment. It will actually covering. You must buy this book. Actually, this is very nice book I found. And next book is International Relationship by Bhavani Singh. Because I found this book was if you don't have the international relationship basic knowledge, you must read this because it actually cover all countries. This is a website link we provide. You can check this website link and some resources name we will provide. You must read this whole thing. If you like, please subscribe our channel.